Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use vector brushes in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is come here to the top panel and click on these three dots. It will open up the Studio Manager, and then here you should see Vector, and I want you to toggle this on. Now once it is toggled on, you should see it appear here. I want you to click on Vector, and this will open up the Vector Studio, and you should get different options here on the left hand panel. What I want you to do is click right here, which says the path brush tool. And then what I want you to do is make sure you have this one selected and you can actually begin drawing. So as you can see, I'm drawing right now, and this will make a smoother curve than you would manually. And if you want, you can go ahead and press Control on your keyboard to get these nodes that you can fully edit as well. So it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.